Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to factorize cubic functions without a calculator. But for this particular example, I'm going to be showing you an example where there's a value that you just need to find. So they've done most of the factorizing for you. You've just got to do the little bit and to find a value within the factorized form. Okay, so in factorizing, there's two versions. So this is, you can say, is like the expanded version, and this is your factorized version. Now, they're equal to the same thing. That's why they're equal to each other. We're going to try to find what this k value is. All right, so what I'm going to do, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the expanded form. I'm going to show you a bit more lengthy, a lengthy way to do it, but then I'm also going to show you a little shortcut that you can use, knowing how to do it the long way. It's just really important for you to know why you can do the shortcut. Okay, so I'm going to show you the long way first. Okay. So I'm going to expand out the right hand side. The reason for that is so that I can get rid of the bracket and I'm going to be closer to the expanded version. So I'm going to expand the right hand side. The left hand side stays the same. Don't worry about it. Okay, so I'm going to expand this x out. So x times x squared is x cubed. X times negative 4x is negative 4x squared. X times 5 is plus 5x. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the k, and remember it's negative k. So negative k times by x squared is negative kx squared, and I'm going to have a plus because negative k times by negative 4 is a positive 4kx. And then I'm going to have a negative k times by a positive 5, so it's negative 5k. I'm going to leave the terms with the k's in it, and I'm going to just move the other one. So I'm going to move this over. I'm going to take x3, I'm going to add 4x squared, and I'm going to take 5x. So in the end, this is going to cancel out. My minus 6x squared plus 4x squared is negative 2x squared. My 13x take 5x is plus 8x, and then this negative 10 here just kind of stays the same. Okay, now I'm just going to write the terms with the k's in it on the other side. Okay, now because they're the same, the k's are going to represent like our coefficients almost, or in this case for the last term, the constant. Okay, so I'm going to highlight what's going to be the same. Whatever's in front of the x squared is going to be the same. So this negative k is going to equal negative 2. I'm sure you're starting to see what k is going to equal. This 8 is going to equal a positive 4k. And then lastly, this negative 10 is going to equal a negative 5k. All right, so that means negative 2 is going to equal negative k, because I'm using the green to help me out. So k has to be positive 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check that they're the same for each of my colors. So the green, k equals 2. Let's check my next one. So I'm going to have 8 is equal to 4k. K is equal to 2. That's all good. Last one, negative 10 is equal to negative 5k. K has to equal 2. That means that's our final answer. So it's x squared take 4x plus 5, x take 2. Okay. Remember, if that k was a negative 2, that would become x plus 2. Okay, just another note. Okay, so I've shown you the long way. I've kind of gone through all the little bits and pieces, but now I'm going to show you that shortcut. So without even expanding and without showing this first bit, we know that negative 10 is equal to negative 5k. That negative 5k, you got this from basically multiplying this 5 and negative k, because 5 times negative k is negative 5k. That equals negative 10. That's already on this side here. So just knowing that knowledge, just looking at what's on the top here, you can work it out. So you can write 5 times by negative k equals negative 10. That means k has to equal 2. And you don't even have to work out any of the stuff. Just knowing your knowledge of expanding, you can know that these two bits here are going to equal negative 10. And that's how you can find k.